Life is in our hands. We can make it heaven. But how? By doing some social work, by being light in others' lives. And that's what our today's guest, Dr. Reshma, does so easily like this. As a coach, as a social worker, she has reached to thousands effortlessly. And indirectly, she touches lakhs of lives. UN, Delhi School of Social Work, and life coaching makes her very special. I look forward to learning a lot. Welcome, Reshma ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sunny. That's so beautiful. Lovely introduction. It's really humble to listen to that introduction.
Because I can't ratify and memorize all the degrees and awards and good work you do. So now you tell us what makes you you.
What makes me me? That's such an interesting question, actually, Sunny. I think what makes me me is the teachings of my mother. That's what has made me me. The way she has lived her life, she's been so instrumental. She's been an idol. The way she handled us, the way she taught us great values, principles, and that has really enlightened our lives. We've been able to actually acquire all that from her, and she's been that entire force behind what I am today, Sunny. Mother's blessings.
Wow, what a start. What are
Yeah.
the top three lessons from your mother which makes a great leader like you? So now it's important for us to imbibe those as well, to walk the paths, because your life is itself a message. You've done so much and you're doing so much and you will do much more. So please tell us the three top lessons which are close to your heart.
Yes, I will definitely would like love sharing that, because the first thing that I learned from whether it was my mother or from life, it is to, if you want to be a leader, just live by setting an example. Be someone that people look up to. Be someone who is a person of integrity, who honors the word, what the person does, and is empathetic. That's what leadership is all about: empathy. Empathize with people, be there for them, support them, guide them, and direct them. That's what I learned from her. The third most important thing is respect people for who they are, because every person has got so much there, and learn from every person, whether the person is old, young, a child, whoever the person is. Just keep learning and just be humble always.
That is your magic. Humble, open to learning, respecting others, and being a great role model to look up to. Thank you. Now I'm, filled with so many questions. Okay, why did you get into social work? You could have gone into some corporate job, you know, top of the ladder, vice president, CEO. I know you are a CEO. So tell us, why social work?
So that's again a very interesting question, Sunny. Something happened in my life, and I decided at that point. I was very young then, but
You are
something
young
just
now and
changed.
young
Yes,
forever.
yes, yes, forever young.
जो सेवा
Yes,
करता है वो बूढ़ा नहीं होता है, जो सेवा करता है उसकी
bilkul,
तबीयत ठीक रहती है, बिकॉज यू आर गॉड्स
bilkul,
इंस्ट्रूमेंट.
bilkul, because we are all deriving that energy from the universe, so we always stay young. Yes, that's mother taking care of us. So she used to go, she was a teacher. She used to go home, go to school. I used to be alone home. At that point of time, somebody knocked my door. And as a young child, parents always tell that kholna, koi aa jayega. To darte darte, I opened the door. Person was having knit yarns in his hand. and he said ki, I am very hungry. I want to work, but I don't from you. Can you buy these yarns? And I was very young at that point of time, just 12 years old. And I said that I don't have money to buy. I mean, I don't have a lot of money to give you or buy those yarns of yours, but I've got some money that I can give you. So he said, no, I don't want money. I don't want you to give me money. I just want you to buy. So I opened my piggy bank and got some money out of it and said that. And he gave me a knitting yarn and the needle, and I took it. And at that point of time, I understood how he is so much of dignity in him that he didn't want to beg. He wanted to sell that thing. Though he was very hungry, he didn't want to do that. He wanted to sell it. And at that point of time, I decided that I am going to do something for people out there in whatever way I can. I will contribute to the world's goodness around. That's how I decided that I would do my bachelor's in social work and master's, and then yes, PhD.
Dr. Reshma continues to spread love and fragrance of joy. Now, there are obstacles. There are so many challenges. How do you face them?
There are many obstacles, and I think we all know that life doesn't come easy on a silver platter. There are a lot of struggles, but I feel those struggles come to teach you a lesson and to make you more resilient to life and be more open to life, to accept those challenges. So I too have my share of challenges, still having my share of challenges, and I'm sure will have in future. But what sails me through it is that determination to reach where I want to reach. That whole thought of being able to achieve all my goals pulls me out through all challenges that come in life.
अब ये determination कहाँ से आएगी वो बताओ. Because see,
yeah.
determination is good to hear, but how do I get that? You know, nerves
Right.
of steel and muscles of iron. Vivekanand ji ने बोल दिया. How do I get that?
Right. I think at every step, Sunny, you have to accept whatever is there. The first step is acceptance. The second most important thing is motivation, self-motivation, how motivated you are, how you can keep yourself motivated. प्रॉब्लम्स तो आएंगी लाइफ में, ऐसे तो है नहीं कि नहीं आएगी, पर आप कितने मोटिवेटेड हैं कि आप उन प्रॉब्लम से जूझने की क्षमता रखते हैं. सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और उसके आगे जैसे वो माउंटेन ड्यू का ऐड है ना, डर के आगे जीत है. तो उसी तरह चैलेंजेस के आगे भी जीत है. और उस राह पे चलते जाना, दैट इज डिटर्मिनेशन टू रीच दैट प्लेस. थकेंगे, हम सब थकेंगे रास्ते में, रुकेंगे रास्ते में, मगर चलते जाना, कंटिन्यूअसली चलते जाना, दैट इज द होल गेम to achieve your dream.
Keep going and don't be a buffalo waiting for motivation from outside. You use the word self before motivation. That's self motivation. So motivation factory bhi ho gayi. Now you tell us, what is the secret of your smile?
The secret of my smile is people all around me. There's so much of energy that I derive from everybody. I feel smile is the cheapest gift you can give anybody. It doesn't cost you anything, and it makes the person feel so nice, energized. You don't need words, you just need a smile, and that's what I do. Keep smiling.
Beautiful. And Chinmaya Vidyalayas, there are 100 of them, reaching out to 1 lakh children, and their school motto is keep smiling.
Smiling.
So that's beautiful. Now you tell us, which are those special moments where you and your parents felt so proud? Wow, Dr. Reshma.
Like I said, parents are always proud of your children, whatever they do. So the first time I brought a certificate in athletics made my mother so happy and proud. The second time I won a trophy of for dance, interstate dance competition. She was so happy with that. So, these achievements make happy. But apart from that, for me, my parents were also happy when I chose my profession, because it is
Wow.
not just a profession, it is a vocation that I chose to do, to be with those people there and serve them, contribute to that. So my mother at that time, I remember when I was in 12th, when I told her that I want to do my bachelor's, she was a little reluctant, but she was, afterwards she told me, I was so proud that your thought was so noble, that I wanted to be a part of your dream. And that I think I treasure the most. And of course, when I did my PhD after a long, long break, that
Doctorate.
also made her very, yes, that also made her very proud. And she proudly, invited all her friends and told them that I am giving a party because my daughter has completed her PhD and she's a doctorate now. So that was a proud moment for my mother.
Super, super. Okay, from the moment of pride and achievements, what are the most and happiest moments, memorable and happy moments other than these?
Many. There are many, Sunny, because the
बस वो
best
many
part
में
of
500
me,
हमें बनते हैं. Treat, treat.
बिल्कुल
Let's
बिल्कुल,
celebrate
and
your wins.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. एंड आई थिंक खुशियां, बड़ी खुशियां की जरूरत नहीं होती है. हम छोटी छोटी चीजों में भी खुशी ढूंढ सकते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ऑल अबाउट. आई डोंट वेट फॉर द बिग happiness to come in my way. I get
Diamond
happy with
ring,
the smallest thing.
diamond ring,
Sorry. Oh, no, no,
diamond ring.
no, no, no. These
Palace
don't
Taj
make
Mahal
me so
बनवा देती.
happy. नहीं, बस जैसे मैंने कहा, मम्मी जब खुश हुई और मुझे उन्होंने गले लगाया कि तुमने इतना अच्छा काम कर रही हो तुम, that made me so happy. That really made me like I got the universe. No diamond rings can buy that. No palace can buy that. वो खुशी जो मम्मी की आंखों में देखी, मम्मी की मुस्कुराहट में थी, that was the best. And after that, my children, they were so happy of the fact that my mother, हमारे पढ़ने के दिन है और वो पढ़ रही हैं, and they proudly told everybody that yes, she is now a PhD and a doctor. So that moment again for my family was just beautiful, and I loved that moment. Apart from that, like I had told you earlier also, I have an NGO and we rescue children. We rescue children when they are in the most vulnerable situation. So child sexual abuse हो या trafficking हो, child labor हो, तो जब वो बच्चे को हम ensure करते हैं कि वो पढ़ ले, पढ़ाई वो कर रहा है, उसने 10th कर लिया, और जब वो आता है अपना सर्टिफिकेट लेकर बताने के लिए कि like I have done it, and I got it, especially when they come with that happiness, दिल खुश हो जाता है, एकदम बाग बाग हो जाता है सनी एक्चुअली.
Garden, garden.
बहुत खुशी मिलती है, बिल्कुल गार्डन गार्डन हो जाता है. So that's what I feel happiness is all about. छोटी छोटी खुशियां बटोरते जाओ and life जीते जाओ, मुस्कुराते जाओ. That's what life is all about.
Great. Now, there are moments when you are not recognized, you are unloved, unacknowledged, you feel
Yes.
sad and bad that at least someone or at least acknowledge. Yeah. How do you bounce back?
वो इसके पहले आई विल जस्ट टेल यू समथिंग. इट्स लाइक दैट, कोई होता जिसको अपना हम अपना कह देते यारो. इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स लाइक दैट. हाँ बिल्कुल, देर आर मोमेंट्स, ऑफ कोर्स देर आर मोमेंट्स व्हेन यू फील अनलव्ड, अनवांटेड इन लाइफ. सिचुएशंस होती रहती है, रिलेशनशिप्स में हर जगह पे होती रहती है. एंड आई थिंक फॉर एवरीबडी आई वुड से दैट एट दैट मोमेंट, लव योरसेल्फ द मोस्ट. Put yourself in that priority, because loving yourself is loving God. And just keep doing that. You are your own priority. So keep loving yourself and the universe will love you back. You don't have to crave for it at all.
My aha moment was, Sunny, love yourself. Because loving yourself is equal to loving God.
God,
मजा आ गया.
yes.
Thank you so much. Now, your favorite movie.
Yes. My favorite movie. Movies to काफी, I'm a movie buff. I love movies. I watch every movie. So I can't nail on the favorite movie, but I can say that I love Three Idiots. I just love it because it's fun, it's nice, it's message and everything. It's a total package. So I love Three Idiots. And another movie I'll tell you, Sunny, is Andaz Apna Apna. आप लोटपोट हो जाओगे हंसते हंसते. So that's another movie I love.
फेवरेट कोई सीन वीन है आपका? यार मजा आ गया.
फेवरेट सीन तो बहुत है. जैसे थ्री इडियट्स में जब वो डेफिनेशन पूछते हैं एंड देन आमिर खान वो जो डेफिनेशन देते हैं, बुक का डेफिनेशन, इट्स फैंटास्टिक. इट्स लाइक ऑसम ऑसम. वो वाला बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Pocketed, jacketed, classified with the table of contents and whatever. Okay,
Right.
anyways, I'm not good in definition. Sorry. Now you know that. Favorite song?
फेवरेट सॉन्ग, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना.
पढ़ना नहीं था, गाना था.
गाना था. ओके, आई विल सिंग इट फॉर यू सनी, एनीथिंग ऑन डिमांड. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. उड़लई 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 उड़लई.
Great. Happiness in one word.
Yeah, happiness for me is smiles all around.
Smile in one word.
Smile in one word is beauty.
Social work in one word.
Contributing. Your
Contributing in
contribution.
one word.
Service.
Family in one word.
Love.
Love in one word.
Everything.
Wow. Now I know you are a super leader. You're born to lead and care and love and serve effortlessly. It runs in your blood. And I'm very happy that you balance it with self-love. For a left brain and action as well. And PhD, Dr. Reshma, good. I'm sure all your family members are going to love this interview of yours. And this will become another reason to smile for you and your family. And of course, your team. So thank you so much for coming and inspiring and sharing a lot of things. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunny, for calling me and giving me an opportunity to share. Thank you.
I wish you the best forever and ever and ever. Thank you.
Thank you.